Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create events on the platform. So when you have events in your church, for example, you have a seminar or you have a conference or you have a Easter services or Christmas carol, those are not regular church services. Those are treated as events. And to curate the events as a program, this is the feature that enables you to manage that event, to invite people, to let people register, share the materials, and also if you need people uh, to pay for the event, you can as well do that here. People can register online as well. So let's get into it. So everything about the event is in the operations tab. So you click the operations and then you see the event. Click that. So that opens this dashboard for you. You can see there's an event here. So to create an event, just click add event. Okay. And that opens this form for you. So this is the form where you would configure the details of the event. So the first thing you can do is to add the graphic design for the event. Assuming you've already created the design. Okay, so let's click that. I'm going to select a graphic design for a healing worship event for this one. So let's pick something. Yeah, so say throne worship. Yeah, okay. So we have that. So let's name it throne worship concert. Throne worship concert. Okay. Here you put in the description and you put in the date. So let's say this is gonna be on the 28th of February 2026, and it's gonna be at 4 p.m. and ending on the same date, February 2026, and it's gonna end at say 8 p.m. Okay, yeah, it's gonna end at 8 p.m. So I'm gonna change this to 16. Okay. So here you put in the location, the address. Yeah. Now this is very important. This online meeting. Normally, if you want to host online meeting, you would want to use Zoom or Google Meet. But if you are using Church Central Cloud, you don't need to configure a separate Zoom link or Google Meet. So we have an online meeting link system here, so which is called Jitsi. So just click on generate link here, and that would automatically generate an online link for you. So if this is an online meeting, or I want people to join online, once this invite is sent out, it will include this link, and people can join the meeting online. You can actually use this to host online meetings in your church. Yeah, so directly on the platform. If this event requires people to register, then just check this box to register. And then here you can set up the form you want. So if you want to have a default one where people just enter their name, their email, and phone number, that is already configured. If this is a recurring event where this event holds maybe once a year, so just tick this box and then select how frequent. So let's say this holds once a year. If it holds every month, then you can select that frequency. And then you can leave this box as optional for now. Now, if there's a maximum number of attendees on this event, so let's say with the hall we are going to book is maximum of 100, you put it there. And if you want to have people still register, if even if the waiting list, even if uh, the booking is complete, then you can check this box. Okay. So once you've done with this, is your event configuration is complete. So create event. Okay, yeah. So that is the event we created now, the throne worship concert. Now the next thing you can do here is to you can edit the event. You can just click that and edit the event if you think there are some things that you want to change. Yeah, okay. And you can also assign ministers that would officiate in this event. So you just click this three dot here and click on manage ministers. Okay, let's click that. So here you can add ministers. Those ministers must have been registered on the platform. So assuming you want to assign someone who is going to take the opening prayer, so you select that person, select opening prayer, and then the time. So the event starts at 4 p.m. and you want this opening prayer to last for 20 minutes. Okay, then you add that. That's the person added. John Smith added to take opening prayer for 20 minutes. That's the first thing. Then you can add the second person. Yeah, so King John is meant to take the first song administration from 16:20 to 17 for 40 minutes. Yeah, and then you add that. Okay, that's the second person. Then you can add the third person. So to take Bible reading, in this case, you're going from 17 to 17:20. Yeah, Bible reading 20 minutes, and that gives you that. So okay, so that sets up your the officiating ministers in the event. And then once you're done, you can close this. Okay. Now, this event also, you can print out this planning by just clicking on View Ministers Table. So once you click that, you see all the planning you've put in place, the opening prayer, the song ministration, the Bible reading, the start, end time, duration, all that is in place. Okay. Now, the what I want to mention is that once you assign this role, the system automatically sends the minister an email uh, to inform the minister that he's been assigned to take this part of the service. Okay, and then you can click PDF here just to prepare a PDF for this, and it's quite a beautiful PDF if you see it. So it's automatically creates the PDF for the event for you, okay, which is like the program for the service, okay, for the service. So that's something you can do there. Okay, now what other things can you do? You can add songs, yeah. You can add songs from your song library. If you're using the song library feature, you can add songs to it if you haven't prepared that. The other thing you can do is you can register attendees manually. So people that are attending the event, if you already have them, you can put their names, email, and phone number You can enter multiple attendees at the same time. Yeah, but people can register online because this has an online registration feature. You can check in the at attendees. Yeah, from registration, you can check those who have registered here. What other thing can you do? You can save this as a template so that once you have such event in the future, you can just use it. Okay. Now, uh, once you've done this, now you can send this event to your members. Okay, to your members. So all you to do is to come here and then click send invite. Okay, come here. If you want to send the invite to all members, so you leave this all members on. If you want to select specific members in the church, just select members, and then you can choose who you want to send. But let's leave it here now. And then you can select the type of message you want to send. Is it email, SMS, or push notification? And then this is the message you want to send. You can edit it as you want. So once you're done, you just click send invite. It sends to the entire church that this is holding. Okay. Now, the other thing is if this is an event that requires registration, so people can scan this QR code to register. So all you need to do is to open this and print this out. Yeah, print it out and make it available to register. Just put it out, put it notice board or any area where it's able to see, and then they should be able to register for the event. You can copy the link and send it to the WhatsApp group wherever you have, and people register for it. Now, this event requires payment. Here you can create different ticket types. Yeah, so quick one add. Yeah, I'm gonna create free registration is free. Early bird registration is, you can say this amount. That's the amount for it. Yeah, general admission creator. So these are different registration types for this event. If this event is paid for, okay, if it is paid for, yeah, you can add different types of tickets for this. And once you're done, you close. So this becomes available to people who want to register for the event. If the event is not paid for, you don't need to do this. So just leave, don't configure this if this is not a paid event. But if this is a paid event and you want to offer people the different kind of ticket they can buy for it, then this is where you can do that. And here you see the orders. So if people have paid for the event, here you see the details of the ordering, total orders, paid orders, tickets sold, and total revenue. So this is where you see how much people, how many people have paid for the event, how much have they paid for the event. You can see all that in this place. Okay. So now let's also look at other things you can do. You can create promo codes. Yeah, promo code for the event. So which is here. So click this, and this will enable you to create a code name, percentage, how much percentage are you adding, all that. You can do that and then give you. Now let's look at a ticket. Yeah, so if people want to purchase the ticket for the event, so you can also give them this QR code and they should be able to purchase the ticket for the event. Okay, so this event can be shared to the public. So just click this share button here. If you click it, it's going to open up the different options to share this event with the public. Okay, so on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on different platforms where this link can be used to publicize the event. So you can do that. Okay, yeah. So so let's see that again. I think, yeah. Okay, this is that, so you can see WhatsApp, email, Facebook, you know, Telegram. You can share this to all that. Okay. Now, so this is how you can use the system to plan your events, publicize the events. Um, if you want to do it online, use this link. If you want to plan it as a paid event, people to register online. So this is all planned in this place. And when people register, they would get an email with a QR code for them to sign into the event if you do want. Okay, I hope this gives you a good guide on how to use Church Center Cloud to plan the event for your church going forward. If you want to watch more videos, go to the dashboard, your main dashboard, and there you will see the video tutorial link. Here you see other videos on how to configure, how to use this platform effectively for your church operation. You can also have a look at the chatbot here. It's quite effective. It gives you instant answers to questions you have. Just use it and get the answers you have. Just type in the question you have here. It's going to give you a quick, immediate, accurate answer. All right. Thank you for watching. May the Lord bless you and bless your ministry. Keep using Church Center Cloud and speak to you again.